been putting up his face on hoardings and billboards in United States demanding justice for the actor. However, as per the latest developments, we also saw that Sushant Singh Rajput's billboards were removed in US for smear campaign. According to his sister Shweta, she has to say that a US media company has decided to take down their billboards demanding justice in the death case of actor Sushant Singh Rajput. She believes that it is a PR exercise to derail the campaign because PR has its reach everywhere. Well, this is the story on one hand, but there are crucial developments happening in the CBI investigation. Since CBI started its investigation, it was very secretive. But for the first time ever, CBI issues first statement ever on SSR's investigation and slams suicide theory. As per yesterday's reports, CBI issued first statement ever since the investigation started and put an end to suicide theory. Well, the entire country, his family, his friends are relieved to hear that news. Well, is this a first step towards justice? Is it too soon to celebrate? Will the culprits, mightiest, be put behind bars? Will Sushant ever get justice, or will the case be diverted? There are a lot of outbursts on social media. This time, the culprits dealt with the wrong person in the era of social media. Sushant's noble and pure soul is inspiring millions and millions of people all over the world to fight against evils. We all are with you, and this campaign will never end.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
It's absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time, and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
Be progressive, be positive, do yourself, understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.